Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday morning, it's a bit wet, a bit miserable here in Pateley Bridge in North Yorkshire. Just going out for a trail ride very shortly, but I just wanted to show you the bikes that we're using next weekend for the Dawn to Dusk. And I'll start with Mike's bike, the 450 EXC. So it's a 2015 450 EXC. Mike's done quite a lot of work on this, as you can see now. He's got the rally fairing, rally tower on. It's looking a little bit like a Dakar bike. He's got a 15 litre fuel tank on it. Stabiliser up front. He's got the Nomad fairing on, tower setup, which uses the standard KTM rally screen. A lot of this kit was supplied by Ollie at Wrench Ride over in Manchester, and it's looking quite smart. Just recently got the new graphics on. I think there's still a few little bits and pieces to do, like upgrade the front brake, get a bigger disc on. And he's got a track shock on it, swing arm guards. Navigation wise, just using the iPhone with the Guru maps. And it's a nice bit of kit actually. This is the sort of thing I'm going to be building very soon. I've got a 450 2017 6 days bike to start preparing after Dawn to Dusk. So you're going to the garage, Mike?
Yep.
Get going, mate. So we'll see more of Mike next weekend at Dawn to Dusk. We're going to be doing a vlog down there. This is my bike we're using today. This is again the bike I'm using for Dawn to Dusk. It's a 252 stroke. It's got some navigation equipment on it. We've got the LED light on for next weekend. And again, this bike is going to be up for sale after the event in preparation for the next project. So if you're interested in an older 252 stroke, give us a shout. It's going to be up for sale at Eurotech probably a couple of weeks after the event, when I've gone through it and made sure everything's okay with it before it's for sale. So we're now going out on the bikes, get some GoPro footage, so stay tuned. Hard Enduro and Adventure Media at Eurotech. Dawn to Dusk next weekend. See you soon.
You in?
Start off. Don't want to rip them.
Oh. Did you just a lot? You sorted?
Yeah.
Yeah, some proper rain coming down now.
It is, isn't it?